One of the most common things is that failure takes place in full knowledge of both the board and the top team. I'm particularly focusing with MALP on strategic leadership and governance leadership. So if you're going to drive an organization forward as the chief executive, if you are going to oversee the organization as the chairman, what does that mean? And first I exposed the group to real life examples of big problems that existed somewhere else, and I placed them in a situation of they have to solve it. The participants get some very intense feedback on what makes them tick, what makes them tick in those roles, what value they will provide, but also what harm will they do. We've come here to learn whether you can handle undue pressure in such a way that you can turn things around. It is an oddity that will put so much responsibility onto the shoulders of a group of part-timers who may come once a month to a meeting, and the meeting may last 3 hours, and yet they're supposed to have the insights as the same as the people who are there every day, all day, 8 to 10 to 12 hours a day. So governance has been interpreted as compliance. And if you're not too careful, that gives a tick box mentality. So you're ticking boxes and you don't know reality at all. Few organizations and their boards do something quite different. They're also good stewards. Now that's not directly leading, taking charge of something. That's more like guiding. You have to have a good relationship with the management. But most of all, you must understand what's happening in that context, in that environment. And we find most board directors do not. So the irony is, once you have probably more than 3 board roles, 3 concurrent board roles, you're a menace. You're in absolute danger because you're making decisions devoid of an understanding of reality. And it's only those organizations that have made the special effort to have their board and management team working together to understand what are the challenges facing us that have made really a considerable difference.